Hey y'all, welcome back to If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. Today we are going to build a frame around my master bathroom mirror. So I went out to a big box store. If this video is not sponsored, or any of my videos are not sponsored. That is my disclaimer. But I went and I found this long board, I don't know what you call it, and I believe it was like $8. It was already painted for me, and it's about 88 inches, I guess. Yeah, about 88 is how long it is. And my mirror, the width size is 57 inches across and the length is 31. So you're gonna need about 2 of these. Now I already cut one, went in and measured it. I did not film that part. And this is what the bottom part looks like, already cut. And this is my side panel, which is 31 inches. Okay, but then when I went in to measure how I'm going to do the border, I had to cut probably about maybe 3 inches off. So you decide if, when you're doing your cuts, and you figure out how you want your border. But I'm just showing you and giving you my dimensions of what's going on with mine. So what I'm going to do, let's get all this stuff out because I have one more piece that I wanted to do on camera. I just went to the big box store and I purchased this seesaw. One day I will be getting a circular saw so I don't have to do all this manual work. I could just put it right under the machine, bam, and it's cut. So now all I'm doing is taking the one that I previously cut and lining it up on the board that has to get cut instead of using the tape measure. And I'm just going to mark it off right here because this is going to be my border on the left and the right side. And if you never use one of these, it's very simple. I'm not doing the angles or anything. That's why I wish I had a circular saw so I could do the angles. But we're going to fix that. Alright, so I'm just lining it up with the pencil marker. I won't be able to see that part. And then I'm just taking the saw and so I'm going to put you in time lapse and I'll be back. Alright, so I got my 2 boards cut for the bottom and the top and for the sides. So I only have 1 jar of this white crushed glass. I'm going to try my best to only have to use 1. Okay y'all, I moved back in the house because it is too hot out in that garage. So I have my gloves already. I took I have my mixture of my Mod Podge. I'm just going to shake it up. And I'm just using a large brush from the Dollar Tree. So I've got my padding down here. Crushed glass, that's what I was trying to tell y'all. I tell you, doing these videos live, you can't remember everything. as you seen in that last segment, time-lapsed, that it dried, not all the way, and then I added another coat to seal in the crushed glass. And then we're going to come back and see all the sparkles. Right now it's just covered in my makeshift Mod Podge. You can see some stones peeking through that have dried already. So all I'm going to do is take this liquid nails and go straight on down, and then we're going to get to hanging. With this liquid nails, so what I did was just add a nail in the ball to adhere it, and I still have the liquid nails on there, so that way once it does dry it will be up there, but I think you may need to have something, you know, more secure. Alright, so I'm going to get the other end put in, and we're going to go back to time lapse. Sorry about that. Here is the side view coming in my bathroom, and today I worked on the master bathroom gigantic mirror, and this is what it's looking like. It is not really completely dry, but I was so anxious I wanted to hurry up and get it up. As you can see, it is almost completely dry, but I was impatient and I wanted to get it up. I did lose some crushed glass over there because that was not completely dry. But overall, I achieved the look that I was going for. And I know when this dries, I can just see some of the sparkle that is trying to peek through now with the light on from the camera. Look at that. Beautiful. Now, the only thing I saw my era on this side, I cut it too much off. But I did not want to jeopardize this anchor that's holding the mirror completely up. So I am not too worried about that piece right there. But yes, I am loving this. This is, oh, it's so beautiful. Yeah. So out of all those videos, we're getting down to the final last two. See my But, you know, as I always say, child, if it ain't cheap, I ain't buying it. Y'all stay blessed, and I will see you in 2 more videos from my house to home master bathroom refresh. Stay with me and please make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit the like, and leave me a lovely comment. I'm working hard over here for y'all, and I appreciate y'all, fabulous family. Bye-bye.